Mihango yothe nirikireire kiharu-ini gia Kasarani guku kaunti-ini ya Nairobi mathaa manini mbere ya mucemanio wa ajumbe a kiama kia UDA uria ugatafanirio kiharu-ini giki muthenya wa ruciu. Andu makiria ma 5,000 ni umanyititwo ugeni gwikinya mucemanio-ini uyu uria ukahuthika kwarira mitaratara ya kiama giki na oho no gukahuthika gukindira munini wa mutongoria wa bururi ndagitari William Ruto kuhuranira giturwa kia upresident githurano-ini twerekeire.
As you are aware, this is the most important day in not only the history of our party, but we believe also for this electoral cycle, the 2022 presidential election.
Ruto no akarugurio ta murirukia wa federa ya ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza hindi ya githurano gia tariki 9 mweri wa kanana na magakorwo making'ethanira na Raila Odinga uria wakindirirwo ta murirukia wa federa ya Azimio la Umoja.
Expect to make critical decisions. Of course, the main one, the highlight of tomorrow's event being the unveiling of William Ruto as the presidential candidate of UDA, and also, as you are aware, the presidential candidate of Kenya Kwanza Alliance.
Makiaria thutha wa guthurima kuria mucemanio uyu ugatafanirio, atongoria UDA matongoretio ni Senator wa Tharaka Nithi Professor Kithure Kindiki maugite uyu ugakorwo ri muthenya wa mwanya kuona no maratanya kuria atongoria ciama ingi cia kiuteti magakorwo makinyitanira nao.
Expect our partners, party leaders from partner parties to be present as our guests, because our party leader has also been a guest in some of the events. So we expect the leader of the ANC party, the Honorable Musalia Mudavadi. We expect the leader of Ford Kenya party, the Honorable Martha Karua. We have other invited guests, other party leaders who will show up.
Kindiki no anireire ndumiriri ya mwanyere magakorwo nayo ni kuhujia thayo na urumwe.
Start at 9 o'clock and we hope to be through by 3 or 4 p.m. to enable our delegates to troop back to their places, and we know some of them are coming from far and wide.
Mucemanio uyu wa ajumbe a UDA ugukathikwo 2 tu thutha wa kiondo kia ngwataniro ya Kenya Kwanza kuibaibio ni mubunge wa Gatondo ya Muhuro Moses Kuria, mutongoria wa kiama gia Tujibebe William Kafogo na seneta wa Kiambu Kimani wa Matagi.
Siku ya kesho madhumuni ni kutoa mgombea wetu wa urais na pia kuelezea kwa Wakenya kwa njia ya ufupi maono yetu na ruwaza yetu ya mabadiliko ya nchi yetu ambayo tunatarajia Mungu akipenda kuanzia mwezi wa 8, ile ruwaza ambayo tutatumia katika kuongoza taifa katika serikali ya awamu ya 5.
Hau kabere Ruto ni amukirire MCs matanyihire 40 kuma kaunti cia Meru na Tharaka Nithi na oho no managi ikaro kia mwanya na ndudu ya thuri akuma kaunti ya Tana River.